Alright, so we've got another unboxing, so to speak. These were purchases I made around Black Friday. Saw some okay deals, nothing crazy. There weren't any really stupendous type deals this year, but I did see a couple things I wanted. The only problem was on a couple different websites, so I ended up buying more than I wanted, more than I needed, so I'll probably end up trading some of this or swapping things from the stack, recoup some of it. But let's just go through these. It was from, like I said, from a couple different dealers, APMEX, Provident, and one other one that I'll show in a little bit here. So let's go through these. Um, didn't get all the greatest deals from APMEX. I kind of dithered on pulling the trigger, but I did get some of these crypto rounds, which kind of funny that some of the some of these silver rounds might be with us for thousands of years, but I don't know if crypto will. But maybe someone will dig up an old silver round that says ETH on it 1,000 years from now. So these are just kind of ironic. I got the Bitcoin ones, quite a few of those. I've dabbled on the cryptos. I actually lost some money around 2018, but I have used, these are kind of, I guess, sponsored by BitPay, you can see, and that's one of the, what do you call them, the merchant services to facilitate the swaps, and that's used by APMEX. So I have used BitPay, buying silver with cryptocurrencies. I have done that. So I did pick up a number. I managed to not drop everything. Managed to pick up quite a few of these. Actually, this one's pretty cool. It's a BitPay round, and it's just shows some I don't know, just some things, objects from daily life, I guess. Commerce. Pretty cool. Silver round. How can you beat it? What else do we get from APMEX? I think this was from APMEX. I got suckered into it. These were really quite overpriced at the time. It's supposed to be a Black Friday deal, and they were selling these for about $32. But I only bought one. Baby Yoda. Kind of cool. Got a few other Star Wars rounds. I think so. These used to have the Queen on it, but looks like on some of these they've done away with the Queen. But that's kind of a cool reverse, and it's a high quality coin. It's got a nice finish. So as long as it doesn't milk spot, I think we'll be good. Yeah. Alright. Litecoin. I used to have a lot of Litecoin back in the day. It's supposed to be the silver to Bitcoin's gold. But how can you beat a silver Litecoin? So that's pretty cool. Yeah. Oh yeah, here's the cool side. As long as they say silver. Gotta have that. Alright, here's the Bitcoin one. These are probably the better looking Bitcoin rounds of the bunch. Nothing crazy, but they look good. I think that little pickaxe is like the BitPay symbol. So, and I think that was pretty much all I got from APMEX. I got this. I have a number of the other ones, but this is the first one from 2022. I'll be damned if it doesn't look like Chewbacca. What do you guys think? Does it look more like Chewie? Yeah, I think I got this from Provident, though. These I actually got off of Hero Bullion, maybe a week before that. Got some other things, but Yeah, these actually, I think, I don't know the full backstory. Best I can tell, these might have been an exclusive through Provident, and I believe it was made by the Golden State Mint, but I don't think they've made these in a long time, and I could be wrong, but when Hero put these up on the website, I think they found some new old stock. Actually, the guy who runs that Hero Boy, and he used to work at Provident, and I know he's said in the past sometimes he reaches into his personal stack, and that's how he started the business, and maybe he dipped into his personal collection and put some of these up. But I really like that design, the Don't Tread on Me. They look great. There's some other thing here. Nice matte finish. And if it is the Golden State Mint, which I heard it was, they do good work. This is one of the Provident Western series. The Gambler. I thought that was pretty cool. It's slightly higher premium than like a Sunshine Mint round, but I just had to get one for the collection. Pretty cool. If I could focus, you could see his hand. He's got a pair of aces. A pair of threes, I think. These were just kind of cheap. I think these are around $25 an ounce. Really nice bar, though, for a stamped bar. Pretty good quality on that. Let's see, what else do we get? That was most of it, like I said. So you got a lot of those Bitcoin rounds. Oh, this was the big thing. Well, the whole reason I ordered from Provident was because of these. They got the new Egyptian coins, if I can open it without making a mess. Let's see here. Rid of these foam peanuts. Come on. Alright. Let's take one out. There we go. Yeah, so these look pretty cool. That's the reverse, but it's supposed to be this side. And I'm no Egyptian, I'm no expert on Egyptian gods, but I guess that's Thoth. Hopefully this will be the thumbnail for this video. And I can't place my finger on it, but it just struck me as a cool design. It almost looks like an alien. Just kind of weird. Pretty cool one, I gotta say. I like it. I like it a lot. Better than the last one. I think the last one was that Falcon Ra, maybe? And this is also kind of cool. This guy like the baboon. And I guess that god takes two shapes. He's either like a monkey or a ibis, the head of the ibis. He's, of course, the 2-ounce chunky rounds, part of the Egyptian series. It started with Provident Metals, and I wish I started collecting that series, but for some reason I didn't. It's funny, back around 2017, 2018, all the sovereign coins were probably about the same price these were going for, and I was mainly stacking the sovereign American Eagles and Maples. But yeah, it's a good series. I like those a lot. So, picked up some of those. Was excited about that. And then I saw some other people were showing off, these Gadsden rounds, and I had to look up where they came from. I've never done business with this company before, Money Metals Exchange, but they had a really cool Gadsden round, like the Boston Tea Party, so I just had to go on their website and order some. So take a look at this. Tell me what you think. I couldn't get over it. It's such a cool design. But also, Gadsden. How's about that? It's a good looking silver round if you ask me. Money Metals Exchange. This is the first one I pulled out of the tube. They look like pretty good quality. And yeah, just 1 troy ounce, 999 fine, Boston Tea Party. Yeah, I thought those were super cool, so I got a whole bunch of those. And these were a little pricier than your average rounds. It wasn't like a crazy Black Friday deal, but it was like a little under 27 bucks an ounce, and then they threw this in for free, just a half ounce. It's actually a decent looking half ounce round. So I think that was mainly what I got, just a whole bunch of rounds, Bitcoin rounds, Boston Tea Party rounds, which I really like. I just like that Gadsden. Which one do you guys like better here? Let's compare different perspectives. I know the Silver Shield series, they've also got one. It looks like a realistic rattlesnake, but I think I like these ones better. So yeah, just a quick overview of what I picked up lately. Looks like silver's back on the rise. I think it closed today, Friday, at about maybe around like 23.40, somewhere around there. But supposed to get a CPI data on I think Tuesday and maybe a Fed meeting Wednesday. So I'm sure they'll smack it back down, but we're kind of used to that by now. Anyways, I think I'll cut it there, and hope you guys all have a great weekend.